Welcome to the WebCEO demonstration for the SEO platform. Here is the dashboard, and you can immediately change your logo by going to My Account, Interface and Report Branding, and then putting in your own logo. And you can also put the logo in so that you can have PDF reports that have your own logo. Let's go back now, hitting the home button, go back to the main dashboard, and let's choose a demo, a project. Now you can add a project, but let's just choose the demo project. And if I go to the demo project, it will show you widgets, and you can arrange the widgets any way you want to. Now up here at the project dashboard, this is a drop-down box that leads to all of our tools. And mainly the first tool you would go to would be to keyword research, get suggestions, and type in a keyword here and you'll find a lot of related keywords. You can put in a competitor website, and then the competitor will then show the words that the competitor seems to have optimized their website for. And then finally you'll have in your keyword basket a whole list of keywords that you can sort by KEI. Just hit the top of the column. The higher the KEI, the better. Keyword Efficiency Index. It means that there are a lot of searches for this word, for instance, email etiquette, but there are very few people who are trying to pay on AdWords and bid the price up for that keyword on paid search. And we figure that if there is no competition on paid search, then there is probably very little competition for SEO, relatively speaking, as well. Now, once you leave the keyword research tool, go to the rank tracker. And in rank tracker, then you could go to the brief, and then in the rank tracker then, you can go to settings. And in settings, choose the keywords that you want, and then create search engines. We've created here, this is actually not good. This is just google.com USA. You do not want to do that. You want to choose a specific place so that the results are even across the board every time you scan. Otherwise, it will just randomly choose a google.com server somewhere in the US. So what you do is you would choose, for instance, your country, and then say, I want desktop results, and then you can put in the name of your town. Peoria, Illinois, for instance, and then if English is the average browser of the people that are using the searches, then leave that English. Otherwise, change the language, and then click Add. You can't do that in the demonstration that I'm doing now. But also in columns here, you can choose not only the country you're in to show local monthly searches as a column, but you could also Peoria, Illinois, and then you can choose Peoria, Illinois, or Peoria, Arizona, or Peoria County, Illinois, etc. And this will then show the results for local searches, which is now the United States in this example. But then it would just show for Peoria County, Illinois, how many people in that area are searching for these keywords. And that, if you have a brick and mortar business especially, could be the most important number. And meanwhile, then for Google New York desktop, these are the results. And the green arrows and red arrows represent what has happened since the last time you scanned, unless you're deliberately comparing it with a custom date. And so it's a very versatile tool. And you can also compare your competitors, how well they're doing for each keyword. And so that becomes an amazing tool. And this ends part one of our demonstration.